Have you ever woken up at 3 a.m. feeling like your body is fighting a war against itself? Racing thoughts, blood sugar chaos, and that weird feeling that something's just off? Well, what if I told you that this humble bottle right here contains a secret nighttime power that scientists are only beginning to understand? Wait, don't click away yet. This isn't some miracle cure sales pitch. This is about one specific component in apple cider vinegar that transforms your sleep without you even realizing it. So, what's this mysterious number one benefit that no one's talking about? Stay with me, because it's not what you think. So, what exactly is in this tangy elixir that makes it so special? Apple cider vinegar is basically fermented apple juice. First, yeast digests the sugars and turns them into alcohol. Then, bacteria convert that alcohol into acetic acid, and this is our secret weapon. Most people focus on the mother, that cloudy, stringy substance filled with probiotics. But here's what's fascinating. It's actually the acetic acid that's the true hero of our nighttime story. Study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that acetic acid makes up about 5 to 6% of apple cider vinegar. And this little acid is a metabolic powerhouse that can transform your sleep from the inside out. But here's where things get interesting. While everyone is busy talking about gut health and probiotics, they are missing the real magic. Did you know that what happens in your liver at 2 a.m. directly impacts whether you'll wake up refreshed or exhausted? And there is a direct connection between this process and apple cider vinegar. It's like your body has an internal night shift crew that either works smoothly or causes chaos, depending on one specific factor that apple cider vinegar helps regulate. Scientists at Tokyo University have been studying this effect for years, but it rarely makes headlines because it's not as sexy as losing 10 pounds overnight claims. So what is this mysterious benefit? Let me explain. The number one nighttime benefit of apple cider vinegar that nobody talks about is its ability to stabilize nocturnal glucose regulation. Wait, don't tune out. Let me explain why this is absolutely game-changing for your sleep. When you sleep, your body should maintain steady blood sugar levels. But for many of us, even non-diabetics, blood sugar can spike and crash throughout the night. This triggers stress hormones, disrupts deep sleep cycles, and can even cause those middle-of-the-night wake-ups. A 2019 study in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that consuming just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed reduced morning fasting glucose levels by up to 6% in people with type 2 diabetes. But here's the mind-blowing part. This same effect helps everyone, not just diabetics. Even if your blood sugar seems normal, these overnight fluctuations might be sabotaging your sleep quality without you realizing it. When your blood sugar stays stable all night, you get deeper sleep, more consistent REM cycles, and your brain can properly cycle through its essential cleanup processes. Now, this primary benefit triggers a cascade of other amazing effects. Better sleep architecture. With stable blood sugar, your brain can properly cycle through sleep stages. A study published in the International Journal of Tryptophan Research suggests that blood sugar stability helps optimize tryptophan metabolism, a precursor to melatonin and serotonin. Reduced midnight hunger. Ever wake up hungry at night? That's often a blood sugar crash. The acetic acid helps prevent these dips so you can sleep uninterrupted. Enhanced mineral absorption. Apple cider vinegar increases stomach acidity, which improves the absorption of sleep-promoting minerals like magnesium and calcium. A 2014 study in the Journal of Food Science showed enhanced mineral bioavailability when foods were paired with acetic acid. Muscle recovery. The stable energy environment helps your muscles recover better while you sleep. Remember those weird leg cramps that wake you up? Often linked to blood sugar fluctuations and mineral imbalances. But there's one more benefit that connects all of these together. Here's where things get fascinating. When your blood sugar stays stable all night, your liver doesn't need to produce excess glucose. This means your body can focus on other nighttime processes like detoxification, cellular repair, growth hormone release, which happens during deep sleep, and memory consolidation. In fact, researchers at Harvard Medical School found that proper glucose regulation during sleep is essential for memory processing and emotional regulation. So that unexplained brain fog, or moodiness you sometimes wake up with, it might be directly connected to what's happening with your blood sugar while you sleep. So how do you use this nighttime superpower? It's very simple. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed. For better taste, add a squeeze of lemon or a few drops of stevia. Use a straw to protect your tooth enamel from the acidity. Start with 1 tablespoon and work your way up if needed. One important note: if you're on medications, especially for diabetes or blood pressure, check with your doctor first. Now let's run a poll. What do you think happens in your body when you consume apple cider vinegar before bed? A. It balances blood sugar. B. It improves digestion. C. It detoxifies the liver. D. It changes how your brain processes sleep signals. Drop your guess now. The answer is actually a combination, but primarily D. While apple cider vinegar does help with blood sugar, digestion, and liver function, its most powerful nighttime benefit is how it changes your brain's sleep processing environment through stable glucose regulation. This isn't some miracle cure, it's simple biochemistry that creates the perfect environment for quality sleep. If you found this information helpful, do your sleep-deprived friends a favor and share this video with them. And if you're going to try the apple cider vinegar tonight, hit that subscribe button so you can let me know your results in the comments of my next video. Sweet dreams and stable blood sugar to you all. See you in the next deep dive into health secrets that no one's talking about.